Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your digital presence with Adobe Affiliate Program, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Adobe Affiliate Program webpage. Create an Adobe account if you don't have one. Sign in to your account to access the affiliate application. Fill out the application form with your relevant details. Specify the platforms where you plan to promote Adobe products. Submit your application for review. Once approved, log in to your Adobe Affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available resources. Explore the range of Adobe products you can promote. Generate affiliate links for specific Adobe products. Incorporate these links into your website or social media. Use engaging content to highlight the features of Adobe products. Create tutorials, reviews, or comparisons that include your affiliate links. Promote special deals and discounts offered by Adobe through your channels. Monitor your performance metrics in the affiliate dashboard regularly. Adjust your strategies based on what content drives the most traffic. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions about Adobe products. Stay updated with Adobe's latest offerings and promotions. Continuously refine your digital marketing strategy to maximize earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.